If you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy A27, then the only way or the only method that works is, of course, by using the USB cable. Now, in my case, I have a different cable than the original one, but it doesn't really matter that much in my case, at least. And essentially, we only have the wired charging possible. Unfortunately, the phone does not support wireless charging, so if you have a wireless charger, you will not be able to use it with your Samsung Galaxy A27. Now, in order to charge your phone with a USB cable, you just have to connect your phone to anything that provides power via USB cable. Of course, the best option is a power adapter or charger, and in this case, it is usually providing the fastest charging speed possible out of all of these different other methods that of course we can use. If you don't have a charger or power adapter just yet, or if you cannot use your charger or power adapter at a given moment and you want to charge your phone and you have a USB cable, then of course you can use pretty much anything else that provides power via USB cable. This can be your computer or laptop, this can be your car, maybe if you are in a bus or something, or in a train, if they have the USB port, then of course you can use that. This can also be, let's say, a power bank or something like that. So pretty much anything, like I said, anything that provides power via USB. Of course, some methods are better than other methods. For example, computer or laptop usually don't provide that much watts when they're trying to charge the phones. The charging speed is very slow, so it's not really the best option to charge your phone. But if that's the last thing that you can use and the only thing that you can use, then of course it's better than anything. And if you decide to start charging your phone, of course, at the bottom of the phone, over here we have the USB-C port. So we need to use it. We're just gonna connect the USB cable to the phone just like that. And then, of course, you connect it to that other thing. So in my case, I'm just going to connect it to the charger over here. We just put it into the power socket, and then we start charging, as you can see over here. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.